you go on my
Hello. So today I'm bringing you back an old series. The premise of this video is that it is currently, I don't know, almost midnight, and my parents are asleep, but my brother and I are wide awake. We have fun, play games, and have snacks at night while we have to stay quiet so that we don't wake our parents up. Okay, fine. Wait, you're talking about Kawasan. There was something. We're talking about Kawasan.
Yes, there was.
No, there wasn't.
Yes, there was. I didn't tell it. I swear.
I know that. Give me the. We were talking about Kawasan. Let's catch you guys up. Get your cozy frame. We went on a trip to the Philippines. Went to the Kawasan waterfalls. Story time. Throughout the whole trip, I was telling the travel guides that I would jump all of them. All of the waterfalls.
Wait, you should have like a catchphrase, like advice with Kate or like something, like catch money Kate, like that's like the catchphrase.
Okay, then you have to create it though, because I can't do it. Advice with Kate.
No, that's
loud.
boring.
That was loud.
Wait,
Angel's advice. Don't say you're gonna do something if you don't know what you're gonna have to do. So anyways, they were like, okay, you're gonna jump all the waterfalls. And so then we went to the waterfall and I saw it and I was just like, so they were like, okay, you're gonna jump now? And I was like, oh, do it. The thing is, I already told them that I was gonna jump, so I definitely, like, I had to jump. My hairs were through the roof. Ethan, this isn't just my story time, you're here too.
And also, you have to let me watch the video before you upload it. Okay.
And so I somehow convinced him to jump.
Yes. Like, I was about to just leave, but yeah.
I thought that's how you were gonna say.
What? I'm so confused.
You wanna go downstairs and play Monopoly already?
What type of silence is for 10 seconds?
Let's go downstairs now. We're downstairs now. I have been loving the sweetened chili sauce.
Wait, does it come with a spoon?
Like, yeah, it comes with it. It's weird. Why else would it be plastered onto it? You're done. For taste. That was my fault. That was your fault. I have a cup and I'm gonna be filling it up with Rocky Road. I don't know why I got a plastic fork. What? Show them what you're gonna eat. Potato puffs, applesauce, and some ice cream. Do it again. Hurry up. This is more for me to edit. Why are you taking so long? This is my brother. Can you get it for me?
Why do you eat yours in a cup? That's just weird.
Because I don't want to wash it. Get yours in a cup. So I'm gonna go over to the living room and set up the Monopoly.
Wait, is plastic an insulator of heat? Never mind.
I have an A in chemistry, by the way.
If you have an A in high school chemistry, is it an insulator or not?
That is the question.
Put your answer in the comments below.
Comment down below. You're stupid. Ew! Your foot touched mine. Why are you doing that?
Because it's satisfying.
Can I use your fork? Wait. Oh wait, you broke your fork. It's gonna fall into... But why would you do that? He spilled the applesauce into the ice cream.
And it worked. It's successful.
Here's your applesauce mixed with ice cream.
Really?
You're gonna eat it?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna shut the camera off as we prepare the Monopoly because my camera likes to overheat. Intermission time. So today we're playing Monopoly. Let the games begin. This is straight.
It's not even close enough. You can't see it. You're supposed to get a close-up look.
I think that's the best we're gonna do.
Are you done?
I don't think they can actually know. We're recording us, not the game, Ethan. You're wasting my battery time.
You should like make that's the main screen, but on the side there's a little screen of the board so they can smell what's happening on the board.
Do you think I have the facilities for that, mate?
No, mate. You're not worthy of me subscribing to you because you don't have good camera angles.
Wait. Oh yeah, I haven't even. How much money do I have to distribute?
Oh yeah, and now you're gonna be on the houses and everything. So
These are responsibilities that I have to carry. My back hurts from carrying this whole game on my back.
Cut this out. You better. You already gonna cut this out. Are you sure you gave me an extra 1,000?
Yes.
But I only have 1,000.
Oh yeah, you're right. I only have that too. Sorry.
Dumb. And you also gave me one less extra bill, $100 bill than I should have. And I know that.
It's 4 100s.
You today.
It's 4 100s.
Fine.
Oh, wrong.
for you. How are you supposed to do that?
Just play already.
Better cut that up too. I swear, I'm watching this before you upload it. If I have to delete the video myself, I will. I'll give you my tips. I don't want to shoot. Orange and red are the most landed on spaces, but red is the best. Illinois Avenue is the most landed on space, and 7 is the most landed on roll. Okay, go.
Thank you for gracing me with your intelligence.
Building low mature to like 150.
Already?
Thank you, sir.
Oh man. 7. I guess your ideologies are correct. You have been elected chairman of the board. Play each player $50.
Nice.
It's your turn. Why do you keep eating? We're gonna turn the camera off because I don't have a lot of storage. We'll be back with updates. It is, I don't know how long later. We have been playing the game. Honestly, my yawns aren't coming out. I'm getting pretty tired.
You're the one who wanted midnight snacks, so.
What is with the attitude? Okay, so let me show you guys.
That's where it comes from.
You know, let me show you how everything's going. I am so organized right now. Ew, don't let your feet touch mine.
Especially not my toes.
These are the properties that I have. I'm starting to build houses. This is my brother. How much money do you have, Ethan?
$160. And I get a jelly card.
He has houses literally stacked up on Boardwalk and Park Place. Or shall I say, they're falling apart. That was a bad joke.
You're so lucky, look. You're lucky. Or you can go
6, 7,
Vermont, which is mine. So just go to community test.
Do I want to take
Watch you lose 100.
Hospital? You're joking.
What?
Hospital fees pay $100.
Move mine to St. James. I don't have money for.
B&O is 50.
Oh man.
Hold on, pause right here. Ethan's hands are on his head again. That's how you know it's about to get serious.
I don't have $50. I have $22. So I'll mortgage Ventnor. See, that's actually a good angle. I'm like, the other one.
I'm sorry.
Go.
We played like 4 games of Monopoly this quarantine and I've won all of them, so.
I'll trade you this for $1.
Sure.
Actually, now you have all of it. I'm scared. How much money do you have?
I don't know, don't look at my money. And then my camera shut off. Not only that, my mom woke up in the middle of the night and caught us downstairs. If you guys like this video, make sure you click that thumbs up button, subscribe if you want more videos from me. Comment down below any comments or anything you have to say. That is it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.